Hi guys, and welcome to the Smart Investor channel. On this video, we are going to compare Best Egg, Prosper, and Marcus personal loans side by side. We will review the requirements and repayment methods of each lender, understand the pros and cons of each option, and lastly, explore companies' customer service and digital experience. Let's start. Best Egg has been around since 2014, and since then it has provided more than 788,000 loans. There are varying loan sizes available, as well as secured loans and low credit scores being accepted. Best Egg personal loan can be a better choice than Prosper and Marcus if you have a relatively low credit score, need a secured loan, want a debt consolidation loan. Prosper is a peer-to-peer online lending platform that caters to borrowers who have fair or good credit scores. It offers a good range of loan amounts and it has a lower barrier to entry than many other online lenders. It has been in business since 2005 and has provided personal loans to more than 1 million people. Prosper personal loan can be a better choice than Best Egg and Marcus if you have a relatively low credit score, seeking a joint loan, want flexible repayment dates. Marcus is a very well-respected online lender, being an offshoot of the famed Goldman Sachs investment bank. It is one of the best options for people who have good credit, with repayment terms being customizable and having zero fees. Marcus personal loan can be a better choice than Best Egg and Prosper if you don't want to pay fees, want maximal repayment flexibility, prefer to deal with a well-established company. In terms of requirements, each of the lenders has its own requirements. Best Egg loans range between $2,000 and $50,000, with Prosper being similar, with its $2,000 to $40,000 range. Finally, you can get loan sizes of between $3,500 and $40,000 with Marcus. You can get a personal loan from Best Egg if you have a credit score of 640, with this being just 600 for Prosper borrowers. Finally, you need a credit score of 660 or greater for a personal loan from Marcus. The required debt-to-income ratio, DTI, for a Best Egg personal loan has to be no more than 40%, with this rising to 50% at Prosper. The latter also does not have any sort of income requirement, but it does need at least 2 years of credit history. All of these lenders are only going to give personal loans to people who are at least 18 years old, with applicants needing to either be a U.S. citizen, have a visa, or be a permanent U.S. resident. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons of each lender. The first lender we are going to focus is Best Egg. Good loan sizes. You can get a loan from Best Egg for just a couple of $1,000s, which is a size that many lenders don't offer. You can also borrow up to $50,000. Rapid funding. You will be able to get your hands on your funds at Best Egg between 1 and 3 business days. Secured loans. You have the option to get both a secured loan and an unsecured loan with Best Egg. Low barrier to entry. You can get a Best Egg personal loan if you have an income of just $5,000 and a credit score as low as 640. Fee structure. Best Egg will charge you an origination fee of 0.99% to 5.99%. There are also late fees in place. Lack of mobile support. While there is a Best Egg mobile app, it does not allow you to manage your personal loan. If you consider Prosper, here are the things you should know. Low minimum credit score. If you have a credit score of just 600, you will be able to get a personal loan from Prosper once you have at least 2 years of credit history. Repayment flexibility. Prosper provides you with the option to change your repayment date as you please. Good loan sizes. You are able to borrow as little as $2,000 from Prosper and up to $40,000 through a personal loan. Joint loans offered. Unlike many online lenders, Prosper offers you the chance to take out a joint loan. Fee structure. There are both origination fees and late fees charged by Prosper. Limited repayment terms. You can only choose between a 3-year and a 5-year term length for your personal loan. Lastly, let's understand what's the benefits and drawbacks of Marcus. Stellar reputation. Marcus has one of the best reputations in the online lending space as it is backed by a giant in the financial sector, Goldman Sachs. No fees. You will not have to pay origination fees or late fees when you get a Marcus personal loan. Rate discount available. You are able to get a 0.25% discount if you automate your repayments at Marcus. Repayment flexibility. You have a great level of flexibility when it comes to the repayments that you are making. Lack of options. While there are good repayment terms available at Marcus, it does not currently offer secured loans, joint loans, or co-signed loans. Funding is a bit slow. It can take up to a week for you to get your funds after getting a personal loan from Marcus. When it comes to repayment methods, you have the ability to alter the due date for your repayments up to 2 times with Best Egg. You have payment terms available of between 3 and 5 years for your personal loans. There is a good debt consolidation offering at Best Egg, and if you go down this route, you can send payments directly to your creditors. If you're late making your repayments, you will need to pay a fee while there is currently no sort of discount available if you automate your repayments. Prosper does not currently have any discount for people who automate their repayments, while there are late fees charged if you delay making your repayments. If you get a debt consolidation loan, there is no option to make payments directly to creditors, but you are able to alter your payment due days as needed. Marcus gives you the ability to get a 0.25% discount when you automate your repayments, while there are no late fees in place. For debt consolidation loans, you are able to directly send payments to your creditors. You also have a huge range of repayment term lengths to choose from, ranging between 3 and 6 years. There is also a payment deferral option in place after you have made 12 consecutive months' worth of payments on time. One of the biggest changes in recent years is the shifting to online. Many lenders are online only, and those who are not, put many efforts to provide great customer support and digital experience for customers, some of them available around the clock. The Resource Center is very good, and you also have access to a high-quality financial education offering. The support team at Best Egg will be reachable 6 days each week during certain hours. The main contact option is speaking over the phone to a Best Egg agent. The mobile app at Best Egg does not allow you to manage your personal loan, which is something that you should be aware of. Finally, the Better Business Bureau has given Best Egg an A+ rating. The Prosper customer service team works during regular business hours from Monday to Friday, with no weekend phone support being available. As well as ringing them, you can also send an email to the borrowing team at Prosper. There is a help center, as well as a financial education offering available to you. The Prosper mobile app does not give you the ability to manage your personal loan. Finally, the Better Business Bureau rating for Prosper is A+. Marcus has a comprehensive help center and plenty of resources to help you boost your financial education. The customer support team can be reached by phone 7 days a week during opening hours, but there is no live chat option. Sending an email is